guys, we're back with another video. It's your boy Gucci Kid. Don't mind the name. This is way about this challenge. Alright, so we're gonna be drinking a Coca-Cola without burping. I promise. So the whole time without burping. No burps at all. Tell me if I'm burping or not, cause tell me if I'm burping or not. I know when I'm gonna burp. So I'm gonna burp. That'll count. This time I'm gonna burp or not. Alright, cause I don't pay attention. Drink this whole joint. Wow, fuck burping. 3, 2, 1. I just had football practice today. One. Just the keyboard. Just a gaming keyboard. Just a chill. Like nothing. Not that big. Come on. Not. Burp. Ink. To the end of the video. Okay, is that it? Help me. Can I burp? Okay. I'll stop burping after this. I can think I'm all out of burp. Sorry. And in today's video, drop a comment, leave a like, tell me if I burp or not, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.